I know.
Sure you can.
Yep. They been fed mine.
Yep, we feed all of them. Everybody gets
This one's pretty too.
Yeah.
I like garters too.
Yeah, they get garter snakes usually start on fish. You can keep them on fish, but I like to get them on the little as soon as possible. I have a couple of them.
Oh, we have a problem. Oh dear. I'm gonna be over there in just a second.
Next one. Look at that one's like look. Yeah. There. You'll bring it right here. Sandballers.
Oh, look at the little face under there. It says, I hide.
Edwards, Karen Edwards, you were the winner of the raffle. Please come to the raffle desk to claim your prize. Karen Edwards.
He would have to make that with so they take well, a lot of it. The one with the she's got shaved hair. Yeah. She's like,
Honey?
was this a male or female? That's fine. Well, they love me.
Thelma loves you.
Yes. Look.
Yes, just give me $700.
Don't pay your rent this month.
Don't pay your rent this month. Just take me home. Tropical vibe. Pretty solid animals here.
Ooh, they're big.
Yeah. Look, I'm back to lose the light. There we go. Wow. Oh yeah. Uh-huh.
Those ones, the containers just have lids on them.
Yeah.
Pretty cool.
Whoa.
Do I like the plastic? Cool.
Nice.
Depends on temperature too. Dang, that thing just looks like a stick with like.
Oh, baby. Yeah.
They look like dragons.
Yeah.
Those scales are just like
Amazing. Look at those
on
scales.
the end of his tail.
Oh man, so sick.
I told you they have snakes that have a snake tail all the time. So
Not as many as this, but definitely usually have at least a few. This is definitely probably the most I've ever seen at a expo here. Damn. Stunning. This is another black mamba. I think the other one was a green mamba. Yeah, see, this is it. This is what I want to breed. Well, not these particular ones. The ones that are not. They're not venomous ones.
Well, that one isn't.
Yeah.
Right? These aren't venomous, right?
No,
Yeah.
they are not venomous. No.
But are they required to have a permit?
So I'm actually just now trying to look. That's why I'm ignoring everybody, unfortunately. I'm trying to look at the newly published Division 56, which is pertains to non-native species, and my understanding is these guys, because they
Yeah, medium size. Yeah.
yeah, they could get about as big as a little bit longer than a ball python.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
Northern alligator lizard, just what Sarabi is.
That is cool. Did you get the head on this one on video? That was looks cool.
Yep, that's a sidewinder. Those are so that they can bury themselves in the sand. And I just their eyes poking out to see prey walking by.
That's cool.
Yeah. Nice. I really want another gopher snake in my life. Oh, nice. Jewel Lacerda. Wow, this is the first time seeing.
These factory are right?
Hello.
Hello.
Ooh, look at that face. What are these called again?
Crested gecko.
Crested geckos. Is there's crested geckos and another gecko that gets confused because of the eyelash thing?
Same thing, eyelash gecko.
Eyelash geckos and the crested geckos are the same things? Okay, alright, sweet. Wonderful. Those are cool. Nice. Awesome. It's amazing animals. Ooh, look at the darkness of that one. I really like it. Do you breed these?
Yep.
Nice. How long have you been breeding them?
5 years.
Nice. Long time. In it.
Now these are gargoyles.
Right. These are different.
Yes.
Much different.
Same country, different animal.
Okay. Do they have similar like requirements, like enclosure-wise,
yep.
about the same? Nice. Very nice.
And that's the big daddy from this area.
Big daddy. Nice.
They're little.
Ooh, look at the colors of that one.
Nope, and more nope.
Oh, wow. That's not my life. That's messed up. Yeah, that's gorgeous. What is that?
This is a Venus Imanus, and this is a male.
Beautiful.
So he won't live as long as the female.
Right. They live about how long in general?
Ooh, a nose.
Oh, nice. Oh, nice. They're so small. They are. Yeah, I should.
Well, actually, $5 each. They're cheaper at home.
Barely.
50 cents.
Yeah. And we don't even know if they have them at hometown anymore. That was like weeks ago.
Yeah, when you want to get one, they will. When you're ready,
They produce 20 or more babies a year.
Yeah.
Yeah, if you can sell them.
Right. 450 a pair. Right.
Oh, wow.
Wow.
So this is the female. I mean,
How's it going for you so far?
Well, it's going pretty good. We've only got 4 left.
You only got 4 left. How many did you start with?
7.
Ooh, nice.
I mean, we didn't bring them on.
Nice. Good go. That's a good way to end.
We're just so cautious. You know, the mice carry around.
That is a valid thing. Lights are.
Still have mine from the last channel. They're wonderful.
wait to see how big it was. It's over 1,000 grams already. But yeah, I know that everybody's like, oh, you're feeding too much. I was like, oh, shoot.
Well, they just, I mean,
I was doing once
especially at this age, their growth is all dependent on how much you feed them.
I was doing once a week, and everybody's like, you should be at 2 weeks. I was like, oh, shoot. Oh, well.
I do 2 or 3 just because
They have
I'm
slow
not planning on
metabolism.
keeping those, you know?
Yeah.
If it's keeper, I'll do 10 or 14 days. I also tend to feed them a little bit of
Ladies and gentlemen, if you were driving a white Nissan Altima with Oregon plates parked on the side of the building, there's a trophy. Once again, the white Altima, your car is being towed right. You might want to run out there and check to make sure it's not your vehicle.
Right. Stop buying the animal you think you're going to because you don't have the money.
Yeah, I can bring it. And you said you wanted 3 of them? Yeah. Okay. I'm looking for like one of the
This one is on trans. These are 100% head.
Very nice.
Which one you buying?
No, I wish. I want one in Ackies.
They have the yellow and the red.
Space for them though. Oh.
that big, though.
They don't. They
One more
don't.
time, if you were the owner of the white Nissan Altima outside.
Pretty good. How's it going? Wonderful.
I like you.
Yeah, I got 5 more. Yeah. Where's the other?
A child named Mercy has been separated from her mother. If you're looking for a child, she's at the raffle booth in the front,
No, they're all the same.
Nice. Missing a child.
If it's too bright,
right by the exit. Mercy,
Different
her
mothers.
child is over
Could be
here.
different models.
I think it brings out one color.
Oh, okay, it's right here. What's that?
No, that one is too.
They're 130, and I usually sell them for 165.
There it is.
Fairly good price.
I've heard of them. Quail. Do they sell the quail? Do they sell like the eggs or just the quail?
This says you just gotta keep them between 60 and 80 degrees. You ain't gotta keep them
The real red-tailed boas. Real animals.
Reptiles are Peruvians, Suriname.
Right now.
Now that's some real red-tailed boa status right here.
So pretty. I wanted this like.
No false advertisement here. These are real red-tailed boas.
Hey, how nice is this guy?
Totally sweet.
Totally sweet. Do you mind if I hold him?
Not unless you're buying. Just
Okay.
getting them all.
Kind of a pain.
Pain in the ass.
I feel ya.
And people come in. And diseases. And mites.
I really like the fact that you list everything about
Oh,
it.
that's my thing.
That's amazing. You go into complete detail.
My thing is to look at.
Yeah.
If you can't prove it, that's you've done wrong with him.
Yeah.
Free money. I like it.
I'm gonna walk in here with you.
Your headlights are on the front.
You guys have any questions?
So you might want to come out there and check to see if you don't
I'm gonna get one of those quails. Yeah.
You want an adult or a baby?
No, I need a baby, like the smallest one. Nice.
no-say Bay Panther chameleon.
Beautiful.
6.5 months old.
6.5. Wow.
I hatched him out of the egg myself last July.
So cool.
And I'm very sad he's been sold. I was gonna keep him as a future breeder, but
Yeah, it's a thing.
I have babies hatching from these guys right now. So
Nice. Yeah, of course. Well, somebody's gonna be very lucky.
Oh yeah.
Somebody's gonna be so lucky.
I think he'll be going to again.
Yeah.
Vanishing stripe.
Wow. Look at that face.
Vanishing stripe's not a color pattern you see very often. That a lot of them, if they lose that at all, it's because of their crosses.
Yeah.
This one's true.
Wow.
It's a particular line that's been bred for that.
Very nice. Yeah, that's amazing. Look at that head. Beautiful markings. Nice.
They're a little more on the.
We only charge $10 a photo. But a bee you can take one for free.
Huh?
You can take one of bee for free.
Ah.
I've never seen a raccoon that big. I've never seen one. It is. The one that was
all the way from Gargoyle.
They're awesome.
Are you sticking around?
So yeah, that was a really great time. We had a lot of fun. I met some really cool people, saw some really cool animals. I do want to give a shout out to Game of Morphs, which is run by good friend Josh and Shirlene Hubbard. I might be saying your last names wrong. I'm sorry if I am. It was really awesome to meet you guys. Thank you so much for chasing me down and giving me a hug and like let me know that you guys watch my channel. I really appreciate all your support. And if you guys are looking for some pretty cool leopard geckos, those guys got some. They came in there with seven leopard geckos, and when I was leaving, they only had one more left. So I hope they got that one sold. If you guys did, awesome. You guys did a great job today. If you're looking for some leopard geckos or looking for something like that, you're in the area, check them out. They are Game of Morphs. So, now that we're back, we're going to go through everything we got at the expo, and I'm going to talk a little bit about some plans that I have, some of the stuff that I have. There's going to be a whole different video on something that Ashley got, and it's just going to be great.